Your poverty isn't economic, it's neurological. This protocol is the antivirus. Your scarcity isn't a fact. It's a ghostly signal of a past event that your brain interprets as permanent. What was the first time, the seed event, when this program was installed? Your mind operates in the default mode network. It's a scarcity loop validated by neurochemistry. To install a new operating system, you need an isolated runtime environment. What data, habit, or relationship currently feeding your field must you eliminate to amplify the signal of your fractal purpose? Abundance isn't just addition. It's the elimination of interference. Run the fractal signature protocol of abundance, the algorithm to overwrite the scarcity virus, deactivating the interference noise of the collective egregore of lack. At dawn, in a hypnagogic state where the conscious-unconscious barrier is most permeable, identify the scarcity problem in a specific area. With your eyes closed, let your mind deliver an image, a scene. The amygdala will begin encoding emotional memories with disproportionate intensity. This ritual accesses episodic memory to identify the moment the limiting program was installed, allowing for its subsequent reconsolidation. Install your new kernel and perform the holographic breathing. This synchronizes heart and brain and cardiac coherence. While feeling the coherence, ask yourself the following question. What is the physical sensation in my body of overcoming my lack? Wait for it. It may be warmth in the solar plexus, lightness in the shoulders, or an inner smile. When the sensation reaches its peak, perform a powerful and unique gesture, for example, making a firm fist or touching your sternum with determination. This is your personal compilation button. Declaration of the viral fractal purpose. Don't write "I want to be rich." Write a purpose that, when you live it, replicates like an open-source code of abundance in your network. Your existence is proof that your new abundance is a fractal that invites others to remember theirs. Execute the integration plan in the matrix, debugging in real time. Every time you perceive a symbol of scarcity, don't react. Choose to project your inner frequency of fullness. Discreetly establish your physical anchor and feel your energetic signature of abundance. In doing so, you will be purifying external reality with your inner field. This is your updated source code. Compile it into every cell, thought, and action. You have undergone a neurometamorphosis. Your brain has been rewired. The old scarcity network is being dismantled, and a new network of flow is being strengthened. Abundance flows naturally to you when you are in coherence. You are now a node for receiving and distributing wealth. This protocol is an operating system, the first version of your psychological rebirth. Your mental sovereignty now depends on one thing. Will you run this code daily until it becomes second nature? The benevolent virus has been installed. You are the system. Continue the compilation.